Hello guys, what's up to our YouTube channel and with today guys, we're playing hardest OB in the universe. I'm playing this for a long time ago. But I fell. This is exactly what should I do? Please subscribe me. Please subscribe to me and follow me in my TikTok account, guys. Follow me, guys, please. No one can beat that tower, guys. Look, see? No one can beat that. Only me can beat the tower. Joke, guys, joke. It's maybe hard, but real Rosa can do it. Real Rosa can do this, guys. See? Real Rosa can do this. Only. Okay. Real Rosa can do this. Only. It's a very hard tower, guys. Oh, see, I'm nearly close to the top. Wait, guys. Boop, boop, boop. Hard, guys, hard. Wait, guys. Now, guys, we're playing the Core Wall Hop Tower. So see my movements in wall hop. Just like my movements. Follow to my account, guys. Subscribe to me and I subscribe to you. Please, guys. Again, bam. I'm lagging. Guys, I'm lagging. I can do this wall flick. Do this wall flick too. Like that, bim. Go just like that, pop. Just like that, back. Okay, guys, one wrong move and we'll end. Oops, wrong move. Wow. Wrong move. Oh, I'm lagging, bro. Wait, guys, wait. Okay, guys. Wall flick. Time to be in wall flick, bro. Wall flick. Time to be in pro. It's time to be pro. Let's go. Wee. Let's go. Back. See, I'm so nearly close to the top. See, I'm nearly close to the top. Did you know I finished this tower before? You don't believe me? Okay. Here's an example. Open it. Whoops. When I used the pump from beginner wall hop. See you the beginner just like this. I used that beginner before. Now I use this for pro. Guys, I use that now. See, I use that now for pro. I'm a pro now in wall hop. See, just like that. Back. Just like that. Let's go. Up. Just like that. Oops. I woke up, babe. I woke up, babe. Mm. Mm. Oh! Wait! Wait, guys. My mom calling me. Wait! Ako ay nagbibidyo. Wait, huwag ka maingay.
Nakapaligyan. Sabi ko sa iyo, huwag ka muna magsiselfone.
Sabi nang huwag na maingay. Wala na. Oh no, guys. I'm fail. Okay, guys. Bye-bye.